Did you know one competitor's mistake could put your whole industry at risk with Stripe? Let's see how to protect yourself. Here's what I'm doing. I'm checking Stripe's prohibited industries list to see if subscription based businesses or influencers are flagged. Even if your business is compliant, Stripe may impose restrictions if your industry has been flagged due to other competitors. This quick check helps you understand the risk before you start processing. Now, here's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They match you with banks that already approve your specific vertical. You also get features like transaction routing and recurring billing designed to keep your payments flowing even if one processor has issues. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore it. Plus, you also get smooth onboarding and optimized payment setups to reduce declines and interruptions. Getting started is simple. Just fill out the sign up form on the EasyPay Direct page. It is a beginner friendly way to secure a reliable merchant account for your content creator or subscription based business. Find the link below to get started today.